Alright guys, so anyways, so this is a corner shelf I made. I wanted the unfinished, kind of like a crate style, but I moved stuff around in my room and I no longer have room for it because I wanted to load a chair. So what I'm doing, quite simple actually. I'm just taking these, well, I say quite simple. Not as simple as you might think. Just gonna make a bookshelf, you know, a straight bookshelf out of it. But the problem is, you know, I'll take these off of the middle, so there's gonna be a little bigger gap. Well, I guess because it's bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger. So I guess that'll work out about close, but the issue is this is 6 feet wide. The opening I have is 5'10". So I've got to cut off 2 stinking inches. And I was going to cut off the long side, but it's actually in better condition than this because how I had it bolted together. So I've got to make 6 good 2-inch cuts. Go me! Oh, I don't know. Making a YouTube video and making a show. But what I come up with, and we may need to go to a Lowe's, but I'm gonna put these, use my Krager tool or jig tool, or whatever, and I figure what, 2 studs or 2? Yeah, but I cut this side off. I know it's the shorter side, but it's the more, and like I told them, it's the more beat up side. So, but I sanded this. It's not super. It's kind of got a little slight bevel to it, but whatever.
I'm off that side.
What? Do I stink?
No, that was it.
Oh.
Floaty. I have to work on Saturday.
Say hi before the battery dies.
Hello.
Hello, peoples. I don't know what to say. I just say hi, y'all, or what's up, or hello, darling, or something like that, you know? Hadn't really come up with something. Do you have a good idea?
No.
No? Me either. Do you have a good idea? 'Cause I don't. So that is where we're at right now. I've only got a couple of these 3/8 inch dowels, and well, what happened is, you know, when you clamp it on there, you said it's supposed to be, and it was set, but this wasn't tight, so it ended up moving this way on me. So I was doing 5/16 holes, like Yeah, you can see this one's kind of not exactly round. Same with this one. But, you know, it'll be alright because these, you know, these are good. This one's good. So, yeah. So, mainly, like, I got 3 that aren't great. So, which, they, you know, we're just going to fill it with Gorilla Glue. Alright, so here's another step. I forgot to film, and it sucked getting them, you know, pushed together. Because y'all saw the, there's gonna be, I gotta put some wood filler, you know, on some, because I don't know, but whatever. But yeah, I literally, you know, I had to screw the 2x4 together, and I used like every C-clamp or clamp that I have. But yeah, see, I'm gonna have to sand and put a little wood filler there. It's not too bad, but you know, that's not too bad. I will sand a little bit there, but just to make it look a little better, you know. But and I don't have, you know, I'm not a woodworker, so I don't have huge, but hey, you know, I think it worked quite well. And the gap, I think, will work out, you know, because I got, you know, kind of bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, not bigger. Well, hell. Alright, so I might have to change that up. I don't know. I might not even mess with it. But whatever. I don't care. I do care. It's going to bug me. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so yeah, so now I gotta figure that out. And obviously, Gorilla Wood Glue. Give a shout out to them because they are extraordinary. I use all their products that I can. And so here's the original dowels that I had, and here's the new ones. I mean, this one's broke. That's why it doesn't look like the same size. But yeah, so I drilled for these, and so I had to cut some of these off, which it wasn't too bad. I just put them in this miter. Yeah, you can see I had to cut a couple, but so that wasn't too bad. Craftsman made. Big thumbs up to them. That's the wood filler I'm gonna use. So, alright, so I'm in the room fighting with this shelf still. If you're ever curious what type of music I listen to. Yeah. But anyway, so, you know, I got this in here, I got it set up, and it was like you'd set it up and it lean because anyway, some of these backboards were longer than the sideboards. So what I'm doing is, and it's not very straight where I glued them together. So what I'm going to do is, well, hi Larry Bear and Addie. So yeah, I'm taking these out, and well, okay, we're gonna. I can't move it this way. So well, this. Hold that thought because I didn't think this through. So we're taking all these are coming off, and I'm gonna put one on each side here, you know, and I'll nail it through here, just on the sides right now. Make sure it's, you know, right there. I'm gonna have to take the sander to the top. So obviously I didn't get these very good. Hello, how are you? Do you have a good nap?
I didn't go back to sleep.
Oh, Booby, did you go to sleep?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, you lazy boom. You lazy Basinji. So, anyways, gonna nail. I guess I'm not gonna wood glue the edge. Booby, you are in my way. You know, so that way it'll stay, but nail through there. And then use a, I think I got a string. I know I got a chalk line, but I don't know if I want chalk on here. But anyways, actually that might work. But yeah, and then I got it like a 1x4. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put the 1x4 across. I don't know. Well, anyways, so we'll get these nailed and we'll just come back to that. And I'm making this up as I go. Don't judge me. So, wow, are you bitchy or what? Addie the bitchy Basenji. Yes, say hi. Get up here. Come on, Addie up. Say hi. Say my name is Addie, the bitchy Basenji. Yes, you know I think I'm cute. Well, I guess I'll Sorry guys, I didn't quite realize the GoPro was off. And it's kind of, yeah, I don't know if y'all do it too, but I just get into the groove and just go. So there it is, finished product. Yeah, I gotta, these kinda, when I glued them together, those stuck, so I gotta take care of those. But other than that, what do y'all think? And it's gonna go over there. I gotta move the flag, obviously, and I gotta put a quarter round down, so wish me luck. All right, so it's in its corner, and it was a tight fit. So yeah, I know the flag's still there. I'll move it here after a bit, and finally I can get all this, you know, I got stuff out here. Yeah. Ooh, we should just party. But anyway, so I'll get y'all a shot after it's done, and y'all let me know what you think.